Spark plugs on a 2013 Toyota Camry 2.5 liter bin F. So got my spark plugs here on the box with mini spark plugs. Well, you can see it, it does talk about how to install it. If you have a gasket type spark plug or a tapered spark plug, we have a gasket type spark plug, so you can follow those directions. I'm sure there's some torque specs as well. Our gap is 0.0394 to 0.0433. I'm checking with our gapper. Straight at 40. Need to open it up. We have this tool. We can open it up this way if we need to, or tap it on a hard surface to close it, but all four of these spark plugs are good. So that's done. We can move on to the vehicle. Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. Got our 4 coils here. Over time, just pushing on the tabs, they may break, so sometimes it's better to use a small screwdriver or knife and pick at the other end. Focus. These might have a tendency to break as they get older. This is fairly new right now, 2013, but we've seen several of these break over time on different vehicles. The plastic just gets brittle due to the heat, so picking at this end can help prevent breakage while you're pushing down a little bit. Just pick up on that. So that's what I'm doing. We'll disconnect them and then take the 10mm bolts out and pull the coils out. Everything is left to loosen, right to tighten. Just using a 1/4 inch gun with a 10mm on it. You can certainly use a 1/4 inch or 3/8 ratchet. Coil. It does have a little rubber on it here. Sometimes it'll stay on the engine. Spark plug socket remover has a little rubber boot inside to help hold the spark plug so you can pull it out. Of course, you can use a regular size and then an extension. Doesn't look to be in bad shape, but there we are. Just put the new spark plug in the spark plug socket. It should hold it. That's what the rubber is inside for, and we'll install it. So it went down by hand all the way till we can't turn it anymore. Then you can follow the instructions on the box for this particular spark plug. They want 1/4 to 1/2 a turn on a gasketed spark plug. Have a little bit of dielectric grease, not required, but if you have some and get some, you can put a little bit in the end here. I think mostly it helps with the spark plug not sticking on here, but also is a water barrier of some kind, and has other benefits, I'm sure. Snap the coil in place with your connector. Put the bolt in there, probably 60 to 90 inch-pounds, and do the same for the other ones, and that would be it. And your cover, you can see, just sits on these little nubs. When you're done, connect everything back together and push the cover down, and you are done replacing your spark plugs on your 2013 and other model years, I'm sure, 2.5 liter Toyota Camry. Good luck to you.